Now let's see list collection framework team. List is similar to tuple. List is a collection framework. It holds multiple values in a single variable. List we represent using square brackets. List we represent using square bracket. Here we can store multiple values in a single variable. In a single variable, we can store multiple values. List we represent using square bracket. List also holds homogeneous, heterogeneous data. We can store homogeneous and heterogeneous data into list. Let me implement it. First, I'm taking homogeneous data. Homogeneous means same type of data. See, I hold, I created a list to hold multiple values. I printed a list. I printed a type of this li. It is printing class list. Next, I am creating a list to hold heterogeneous data. Heterogeneous data. See, here I created list to hold heterogeneous data. I printed list 2 and I printed a type of L2. It is printing class list. Okay, now if you observe here, we are printing entire list, but our requirement is we want to navigate element by element. For that list, we use index to navigate list. We use index. This index we can navigate in two ways too. One is forward direction. Forward direction list starts with 0 and ends with n minus 1. N minus 1. And backward direction starts with -1 and ends with -n. Because there is no -0, that's why it starts with -1. Let me write a program to display list in both forward direction and backward direction too. See, I am using forward direction. Start from 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Backward direction -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. Then we got forward direction. We got backward direction output. So this is one way of navigating list. And we have other way to navigate list is using slicing operation. So I'm taking a list and I'm printing list values. Observe here I'm printing first value using forward approach, backward approach. First value means index 0, index -5. Last value means 4 and -1. Printing last value, printing last value using forward index. And I want to print value index 1 to index 4. Index 4. So we are using index 4 means here index 1 is included, index 4 is excluded. So index 1, index 2, index 3 going to get, index 4 is excluded. So similar way I am printing backward index -4 to -4, -3, -2 is included, -1 is excluded. And this one I'm printing 0 colon. If you not specify end index, it will go from 0 index to last index. Same way we are achieving using backward approach. -5 colon means it will go -5 to -1. Let me execute this one. Using slicing operation, we are navigating list. Next, other approach to navigate list is for looping. Other approach we have is navigating list using for loop. For loop is specially designed to navigate collection framework. So here, no need to write like other programming. We write for, we write initialization logic, then we write condition, and we write increment or decrement logic. Increment or decrement logic to navigate a collection framework. But here, you no need to write increment and decrement logic because every collection data type is iterable. So for loop is iterate value by value, value by value. So so here it will take first value, first iteration, prints first value. Next iteration, it will take second value, we are printing. It will iterate third value, we are printing. It will iterate fourth value, we are printing. Fifth value, we are printing. Once all values are completed, control comes out of for loop. So for loop is specially designed to navigate collection framework or collection of values. Now let's understand difference between Python tuple and Python list. This is very important to think. Both are collections. It holds collection of values in a single variable. This is common definition. Next important definition is tuple is immutable. Once you create a tuple, you cannot modify the value in a tuple. You cannot change. It is immutable type. So if you try to change a value, you will get an error. It is not possible. There is no append. But list is mutable. But list is mutable. Means changeable. Depends upon your requirement. You can modify the list. It is possible. So you can create a list. You can append elements. You can remove elements from the list. List is mutable. This is main difference between tuple and list type. Okay. Clear writing, list collection framework